The people who live in Myanmar are indigenous Karen people. They have lived in conflict for more than 70 years. They didn't understand the importance of hygiene and sanitation. They also never knew that the water that they use could give them problems or spread waterborne disease. There are no other organizations that have helped them to get safe drinking water. We Safe Water team decided to give them safe drinking water. I left Mason on 24 November 2020 in the morning and traveled for 3 hours by car to arrive in Masuri. Because of COVID-19 pandemic, we needed to sleep at Masuri for a night before we crossed the border. The next morning at 3 a.m., we left Masuri to continue our trip to Myanmar. We needed to cross the Thai-Myanmar border before sunrise, and it was very dangerous because the border was closed due to COVID-19 pandemic. We arrived on the Myanmar side in Crescent before sunrise and waited for the sun to come up to start our trip to Tribuno. The Etuta Hospital canoe came to pick us up because only the hospital canoe was allowed to travel. We traveled for the whole morning by canoe and stopped at lunchtime, then traveled the whole afternoon by car. We could see Debuno village when we stood on the top of the mountain, and we arrived at Debuno in the evening. We used concrete for the foundations and floor of the tech stands. The students and medical workers worked together with us to collect sand and small stones from the river to mix with the cement. A friend who is an expert builder in the Puno area worked together with our team members to finish the building. We used wood from the forest for our tech stands and silver roof. We worked for 2 weeks to finish it. Skyhydrant 1 was installed close to the Debuno referral clinic, and Skyhydrant 2 was in Debuno High School. We could not get the tanks from Thailand, so we ordered them from Pan. We installed both hydrants after the tanks arrived in Debuno. The community selected health workers and teachers to be caretakers of the water filters. The Safe Water team gave them training so that the hydrants could be maintained. The project was completed in December 2020, and we all thank our friends and the donors for your contributions to make it happen.